How to cancel PDF filler subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick guide tutorial. Today I will show you that how can you cancel PDF filler subscription. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. After you open the browser, in the search field, search for PDF filler. After you find the PDF filler, tap on the option PDF filler. Okay, so after you are on the pdfFiller official site and logged in with your account, tap on the option 3 line just at the top right corner. From here, tap on my account, and from the account section, tap on option subscription and payment. Alright, after you come on the subscription and payment section, after you scroll down, you can easily find the options like cancel PDF subscription from here. So in my case, I am getting the options like sign up for free trial. So in your case, you might be finding options like cancel PDF filler subscription if you have subscribed the PDF filler, and after you tap and click on that cancel PDF subscription, you can easily cancel the subscription on PDF filler. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.